This is a continuation of disaccharides. Already we discussed about the sucrose, maltose. The third one is lactose. Sucrose, maltose, lactose. In that, the third one is lactose I am discussing now. Its molecular formula C12H22O11. All molecular formula is same, but a small difference in their configuration. So lactose also known as milk sugar. Therefore, it is present. It means why it is called milk sugar. It is present in all mammals like cow, human beings, whatever the mammals are there. Those are having mammillary gland. They produce milk. In that, it having 2 to 6% of lactose. That's why it is known as milk sugar. Lactose molecular formula C12H22O11. On acidic hydrolysis, it gives 1 mole of beta D galactose and beta D glucose. Based on this reaction, we conclude that lactose is combination of galactose and glucose. And this galactose and glucose are C4 apimers. What is the apimers? The diastereomers which are having the only at one stereogenic carbon configuration should be different. So already we know the glucose structure. So we don't know the galactose structure. If you consider, then only at C4 configuration should be different compared with the alpha beta D glucose. We know alpha and beta D glucose form already we discussed. So this is beta D glucose. This is beta D glucose form I already represented here. Right side part is beta D glucose and left side part is beta galactose. OH is similar to the cyclic oxygen beta form. OH is similar to the same side to the cyclic oxygen. This is beta D galactose. Beta D galactose. This is beta D glucose. So we know that OH up, OH down, OH up, OH down, and this is CH2OH up. At this position, C4 apimers mean configuration should be different at fourth carbon. Here OH down mean here should be up. That is only small difference in the galactose. So you have to remember these are C4 apimers. Remaining everything same is there. So now these are lost water molecule OH and here H. And it form a glycosidic linkage. This is called glycosidic linkage. So now this can be represented as like this. Okay. And this is called C1. This C1 carbon. This is C4 carbon of the beta D glucose. That's what is called C1 C4 glycosidic linkage. If specifically they may ask sometime C1 belongs to which carbohydrate, C4 belongs to which carbohydrate? C1 is galactose, C4 is glucose. That's why I clearly represented here. Sometimes this is given in the textbook. Sometimes like this also may be given in competitive exam. So this is galactose, beta D galactose. This is beta D glucose. Now observe here, looking same, but here oxygen, cyclic oxygen is down is there. This is a C1, this is a C2, C3, C4, C5, this is C6. Now, how to write this? At C1 carbon, OH is towards the oxygen. OH is towards the oxygen. Next, at C2 carbon, OH opposite. OH is opposite to this oxygen. OH is opposite to this oxygen. At third carbon, OH is similar to this cyclic oxygen side. So OH is similar side to the cyclic oxygen. At fourth position, OH is opposite to this cyclic oxygen. So here also at fourth position opposite to the cyclic oxygen. Remaining part same. That's why this is now again water molecule loss. Oxygen left. It formed glycosidic linkage. That glycosidic linkage like this. This is C1 of beta galactose and C4 of that is beta glucose. That's what is called C1C4 glycosidic linkage. Sometimes it is called beta C1C4 glycosidic linkage. So in competitive exam purpose, what are the important point? Lactose also called milk sugar. Next one, it may be what is the percentage of this lactose in milk, nearly 2 to 6 percentage, and it having this part is ester form, this part is hemiester form. Observe in the maltose also I explained this. This is an anomeric carbon, this is OR group, this is OH group. So this hemiester form, here OR and OR. So this part having ester form, this form having hemiester form. That's why this right side part is reducing part and this left side part is non-reducing part. Overall this molecule lactose is reducing sugar. This is reducing sugar. So due to this hemiester form, this shows mutarotation, osazone, tolerance, failing Benedict test. So these are very important points for competitive exam. So this is a clear information about the lactose. So I discussed all about the sucrose, maltose, lactose. Thank you very much.